Hey, so another project I'm doing in addition to the Boba Fett, I have the little ammo boxes. These are from Sanitized Creations. They need to be sanded and painted. So I've got the gray primer here. The outer two will be painted true blue, and the middle one is black. It's just a flat black. And this is just like a black leather belt that I had gotten at Tandy Leather. So I'm gonna sand these, prime them, paint them, and then I'm probably gonna use Chicago screws to attach them to this. This goes on the chest, and then I bought some Velcro to also use for the pauldron. So that's the next thing I'm doing. Okay, so I've Velcroed the pauldron together. There's Velcro on each side of this pauldron, so top and back and front, and again on this side as well. I'm thinking maybe possibly doing a Chicago screw, like one through each. I mean, if I wanted to make it completely permanent, I can put 3 Chicago screws in it and really make it permanent, but I don't know if it needs all that. Plus, it's going to make it harder to take it apart and store it if it's not breakdownable, you know what I mean? But I think I'm going to do magnets here, like maybe a couple magnets in the front and then the underside of my armor. It does lay pretty flat for surprisingly being, you know, so all the weight on that side, but I think it looks cool. I have no way of doing the back. I don't know if you're seeing that. I'll check it. So I have, let me come over here. These have been sanded. I started at 400. No, I started at 100 and went all the way to 2000. And I've got my masking here because this is where I'm gonna put the Chicago screw, and I want to have something solid to glue into with the putty, whatever stuff I'm going to use. This is just a mistake. Let's get it off. So when that dries, I can paint the primer, which I'll probably do tomorrow morning before work. Let that primer dry all day, and then I can put the paint on. Okay, so like I said in my other video, this is done. I'm using it on the stove. It's Velcroed on, both pieces Velcroed on. This is just a belt I got at Tandy. I just happened to have it. I was going to try to do some leather work, and I bought it. Never did anything with it. It is the exact width that it needs to be, 1.5 inches. Here's the boxes. 2 are blue. The center one is black. I have attached Chicago screws with this really powerful glue. I'm thinking I might even do some like a epoxy, that stuff that like a double bonding epoxy that will go on there just to really hold it. So on Friday I'm going over to my buddy's house and we're going to drill holes in the belt, and then these will get, you know, mounted on something like that. And then we put that on, we take pictures, and it's done. Commander Apple.